Once your job process is through the technology, it is ready for your review. While the amount of time does depend on the size of the return, you can expect it to be ready in 1 to 5 minutes. Head over to the Job Status tab in GruntWorks, find your client, and click Edit in Review tool. The GruntWorxLITE Self-Verify tool opens in your default web browser. You are presented with an instructional pop-up providing steps to get the best results. Next, choose if you would like to populate your client's tax return with form data or receive back an organized PDF only. Choose a trades product. Either enter in totals with trade summary or have individual transactions extracted with trade details. You can also leave as no trades. Today, we're going to use populate with trade summary. After making your selections, the Self-Verify tool reloads. The tool has a classification section where all your pages are displayed as thumbnails. There will be a colored highlight around pages that are grouped together. On the right is the extracted data from supported forms. Across the top of the tool are all the functions that make reviewing easy. Simply check the extracted data on each page and make any corrections needed. This can include deleting erroneously extracted data, adding data that was missed, or editing data that was extracted incorrectly. Use the data field viewer on the right to verify everything matches your source PDFs. You can add more state and localities to a W-2 when needed. Use the table at the top of the tool to edit. Now, if the image is hard to read, use the functions in the bottom of the screen to zoom in. Need to make a change? No problem. Just click on the field and either type in the correction or use autofill to highlight and select the data off the image. You can also rotate pages if needed, ignore duplicate pages, and fix brokerages and K1 grouping. Now, if you have any questions on these topics, please refer to the GruntWorxLITE user manual. If any pages are labeled incorrectly, use the Reclassify button in the top toolbar to choose the correct classification. For trade summary, use autofill to enter in the totals to be extracted. Simply tab to the next field and use autofill to enter the amounts. Right-click on the data you want in the field and select the amount to populate that field. When you're done reviewing, open the Job Actions menu in the toolbar. The Job Actions menu offers the ability to change the job to organize as well as change your trade's product selection. Choose Review Complete, save and upload job to finalize it. And now we're finished editing data in the tool. Let's move on to downloading your completed files.